This is a quick introduction to the Eftpos machine, which hopefully will become a very good friend. This is a way that we process credit cards or Amex cards or Eftpos cards. So as you'll notice, there's a whole lot of buttons that you want to press, and there's a display here for you to read out what you're doing. Now, when a customer wants to purchase something, first of all, you're going to press enter, and that's going to start off. If you look up here, you'll see three options: purchase, cash, or refund. We don't offer cash, so it's either purchase or refund, and very rarely will it be a refund. If it's a purchase, then you can go down here and press purchase. Now it will say how much. So I'm going to, for a sample, I'm going to press $1 into it. So I'm just going to press $1. Actually 10 cents will do. And then enter. Cash out. We don't give cash out, so we press enter again. Total amount, enter. Now it's going to ask me to swipe the card. Now if it has a chip in it, we have to go down and stick the card in the bottom of the machine like that. This card I'm using doesn't have a chip, so we have to run the stripe down the side, and I'm going to go in there. Now, this is not a credit card. This card I'm using is a savings account. So if the customer presents you with a card and it gives you the options, you'll have to find out from them which kind of account they're taking the money out of. So in this case it's savings, so I'm going to press that middle green button, savings, and it's going to ask me now to key in my PIN. So I'm going to not let you see my PIN number, of course, and then enter, and it's going to process it. Now you can see a tag comes out and it says approved. Can't see. So that's right. Now if I want another copy, I'll say so we keep one copy for ourselves and one copy for the customer. If you've been chatting on and you can't, and it's turned itself off past the point of offering another copy, you can press the enter button twice, actually 3 times, and you'll see up here at the top it offers you copy, so you press underneath copy and it will give you a copy of your last transaction, and there we are, 10 cents. So that's how it works. Now I'm going to give myself the money back. Enter again will take me back to purchase, refund. So I'm going to keep pressing the enter button until I come down to refund. So I'm going to go refund. Now it's going to ask me to swipe the merchant card, and that's so no stranger can just come in and put money on their account. This is the merchant card, and that's usually kept down over here in the drawer where we keep our cash, our little red tin there. So you get the merchant card and you swipe it first. Now it's going to ask how much I'm giving back. Well, I'm going to give back that 10 cents. Refund amount 10 cents, enter. Now total amount, enter. It's going to ask me to swipe the card, so I'm going to swipe the card again, the same card that I used. That's my card, and I'm going to put it back onto my savings account, and again it's going to ask me to key in my PIN, and we'll just watch what happens. So it's been approved, okay, and so that's all very good. Now there's a couple of other things that can happen, and one of these situations is if the customer's card is not working properly, or if it won't read properly, or if the customer is actually just rung in and you have to process something without them being present, in which case you go to enter, purchase, and we'll do again 10 cents. 10 cents. and then enter. Okay, cash out, no. Total amount, enter. Now where it says swipe card, instead of doing that, we go down to this button in the corner which says function. And that enables me to type in the card number, so I can put in a number just manually.
Well, these are all 40% off.
And then enter. Then the expiry date. It's going to ask me what kind of process it is. Just press customer for that. And now it's going to ask for the verification code on the back. So on my card, it's the last 3 numbers. If it's an Amex, it'll be the 4 numbers on the front. So we find that there, and I'll just type that in. And then key OK. And don't worry about the signature because we've done it long distance. Okay, so there we are.